Welcome you to my grammar class. Today's topic is the important topic, the passive. English has two voices. One is active voice and other is passive voice. Now we shall discuss about the passive voice, how the active sentence changes to passive sentence. Look at the blackboard and you see there are two sentences in the blackboard. Ramu has killed a snake. Second sentence, a snake has been killed. Rama has killed a snake. In sentence 1, the subject Rama. In sentence 1, the subject Rama, verb has killed a snake, object. Subject Rama does the act of killing. Subject Rama does the act of killing. He is the killer. We can call Rama the agent or subject. Has killed is the verb. The verb kill is a transitive verb. And a snake is an object. After the verb, if we ask, what did Rama kill? The answer is a snake. So, a snake is patient, or we can call it object. In sentence 1, speaker talks. In sentence 1, speaker talks about Rama, the subject. In sentence 1, speaker talks about Rama, the subject. What he did, he gives less importance to the snake. What happened to it? The verb kill is inactive form. So, the sentence is called active voice. We use active verbs say what the subject does. Next, we come to the second sentence. In sentence 2, object or patient, a snake comes to the subject position. Here, speaker is talking about the patient. Here, speaker is talking about the patient or object. And what happened to it? What happened to the snake? The agent Rama is absent in this sentence. Speaker is not interested about Rama, the subject. Speaker is interested about the snake. What happened to it? The verb been killed is the passive verb. So, the sentence is called passive. We use passive verb to say what is done to the object. What is done to the object. So, sentence 2 is a passive sentence. Next, you see another two sentences in the blackboard. Sentence number 3. My father built this house in 1980. Sentence number 4. This house was built by my father in 1980. In sentence 3, my father is the subject. It is a noun phrase. It is a subject. Built is the transitive verb, and this house is the object or present. In sentence 4, this house was built by my father in 1980. Here, the object of the first sentence, this house, comes to the subject position. Object is the active voice, active sentence. Is the subject of the passive sentence. This house comes to the first position, subject position, and also my father, which is in the subject position, it goes to the object position with the by. So sentence number 3 is in active form, is active voice, and sentence number 4 is in passive form. When you are going to do active sentence to passive sentence, you should know some of the rules. Now you see, change of verb form active to passive. Active, present simple. We take the example of verb was. Present simple was, washes. Changes in passive am, is, are, washed. Past simple verb washed. Changes into was, were, washed. Present progressive verb am, is, are, washing. Changes into am, is, are, being washed. Past progressive was, were, washing. Changes into was, were, being washed. Present perfect verb has washed, active verb. Changes into passive verb has been washed. In past perfect, verb had washed. Changes into passive verb had been washed. Now you see change of modals in active to passive. Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, need, with, was verb changes to shall, should, will, would, etc. and be washed with them. Shall be washed, should be washed, will be washed, would be washed. Like this. To wash verb, when it is passivized, it will be to be washed. Taking verb will be being taken. Dear students, you should know present and past perfect progressive has no passive forms. You should know some of the rules about the active and passive voice. First, you know how the object of active becomes subject in passive. Object of active, me, becomes subject I in passive. Him becomes he. Her becomes she. You becomes you. us becomes we, them becomes they. Like this, object of passives become the object of active becomes the subject of a passive. Next you see, subject in active becomes by plus object in passive. Subject in active, subject I becomes by me in the passive, he becomes by him, she becomes by her, you becomes by you, we becomes by us, we becomes by us, they becomes by them. Students, you should know object of the active sentence is used as the subject of the passive sentence. The verb in the active sentence is changed into its appropriate passive form. The by plus the agent phrase may be left out or depending on the situation in which the passive is used. Now, dear students, you know some of the changes made by the active sentence to passive sentence. Today, the grammar class is over. In my next class, we shall discuss the rules of passive. Thank you all. Now, the class is over.